Imagine walking into your kitchen and seeing everything perfectly organized, with every item in its place. You can achieve that with these 20 best kitchen organization gadgets from Amazon that will help you maximize and organize your space. So stick around and let's explore these gadgets. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump in. First up, Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer. If your kitchen drawers are a mess, this luxury bamboo kitchen drawer organizer is about to be your new best friend. It's super sturdy, expandable to fit most standard drawers, and has deep compartments that can hold everything from tiny forks to big OL spatulas. I love that it's not just for the kitchen. You can also use it in your office, bathroom, or even your craft corner. The standout feature? It expands extra wide compared to a lot of other organizers, giving you way more room to stay clutter-free. It's perfect for anyone who's tired of digging through junk drawers and just wants everything neat and easy to grab. Available on Amazon. Price around $33. Next up, stainless steel dish drying rack. If you're short on counter space, this extendable dish drying rack is a total game changer. It stretches from 11 to almost 19 inches, so you can customize it to fit your sink or counter perfectly. Plus, it has a built-in auto drain system. No more puddles or messy countertops. I really love that it's made from rust-resistant stainless steel and folds up super small when you're not using it. Perfect for anyone with a small kitchen or just looking to stay more organized. Available on Amazon. Price around $21. Cup and condiment organizer. Looking to keep your coffee station neat and organized? The Mind Reader Cup and Condiment Station is here to help. With 11 compartments, this countertop organizer is perfect for holding cups, stirrers, sugar, and more, so you can grab everything you need in one quick reach. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or in a lobby, its versatile design works anywhere. The standout feature? It's two-tiered and has rubber grips to keep it stable, even in busy spaces. Plus, it's super easy to clean, just a wipe with soap and water. Available on Amazon. Price around $28. Orei Bamboo Spice Organizer. If you're looking to organize your spices without taking up too much counter space, check out the Orei 18-jar bamboo spice organizer. It's compact, sleek, and holds up to 18 spice jars, making it perfect for kitchens with limited space. Each jar is clearly labeled. No more guessing what's in each jar. And the waterproof labels make it easy to find what you need in a flash. Made from high-quality bamboo, this spice rack is sturdy, sustainable, and built to last. Plus, it comes filled with all the essential spices like oregano, paprika, and cinnamon, so you can start cooking right away. Available on Amazon. Price around $35. Bamboo Expandable Pots and Pans Organizer. If your kitchen cabinets are a mess, this Bamboo Expandable Pots and Pans Organizer is here to save the day. It's made from sturdy, beautiful bamboo and fits easily under your cabinets, expanding from 13, 7-inch to 25, 6-inch to give you plenty of room for all your cookware. The deep U-shaped dividers are perfect for storing pots and lids with knobs, keeping everything organized and easy to grab. Plus, installation is a breeze. No tools needed. Whether you choose natural bamboo, white, or black, it'll add a stylish touch to your kitchen while optimizing space. Available on Amazon. Price around $39. Bamboo Bread Box with Slicer. If you love homemade bread, the Bamboo Bread Box with Slicer is a must-have for your kitchen. Not only does it store your bread and keep it fresh, but it also doubles as a bread slicer and cutting tray. Talk about multitasking. The bamboo design is eco-friendly, and the ventilation holes keep your bread fresh longer. Plus, it has an adjustable compartment for bigger loaves and a clear window, so you can see your bread display. It's perfect for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized and stylish. Available on Amazon. Price around $59. Spice Rack Organizer. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen storage, the Cabinet Caddy Snap Spice Rack Organizer is a game changer. It features adjustable snap-in shelves that let you customize your storage for different spice jar sizes. The magnetic modular design makes it super easy to expand and create a seamless organization system in your cabinets. Whether you have limited space or just need better organization, this pull and rotate organizer makes grabbing spices a breeze. Plus, with accessories like stick-on labels and a stabilizing tray, you'll have everything neatly in place. Available on Amazon, price around $43. Combi Bamboo Wrap and Bag Organizer. Tired of dealing with messy drawers full of plastic wrap and baggies? The Combi Storage Bag Organizer is here to help. This all-in-one solution includes a foil and wrap dispenser with a built-in cutter, plus a baggie organizer for gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags. Made from 100% natural bamboo, it's not only eco-friendly, but also adds a touch of warmth and style to your kitchen. You can easily detach or connect the organizer to fit your space, and it even comes with labels to keep everything clearly marked. Whether you're organizing your drawer or mounting it on the wall, this organizer keeps everything neat and accessible. Available on Amazon, price $50. Acrylic Spice Organizer Set. If you're tired of cluttered spice drawers, this 2-set acrylic seasoning organizer box could be the game changer your kitchen needs. It comes with 8 clear spice jars and matching spoons, making it super easy to store and access your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, sugar, and even herbs. The sleek acrylic design is not only durable, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The best part? The transparent containers make it simple to spot what you need, and they're super easy to clean. Whether you're a home chef or just want to keep things neat, this organizer is perfect for any kitchen, big or small. Available on Amazon, price $30. Zunto Adhesive Paper Towel Holder. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and want a simple solution to keep your paper towels handy, the Zunto Paper Towel Holder is a game changer. Made from high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, this rust-resistant holder not only looks sleek, but is built to last. The self-adhesive design means you can stick it anywhere, on your cabinet, wall, or side panel, without drilling any holes, making installation a breeze. Plus, it's easy to use, so you can pull a towel with just one hand. Its compact size fits standard paper rolls perfectly, and it keeps your kitchen looking tidy. Available on Amazon, price $11. Flavia Coffee Bar Organizer. Looking for a way to organize your coffee station and save counter space? The Flavia Coffee Bar Organizer is a game changer. It features a 3-tier design with 12 side hooks for your mugs, a drawer for 30 K-Cup pods, and extra storage for all your coffee accessories. This sturdy, durable organizer is made from a combination of metal and thickened wood, ensuring it can handle heavy mugs and coffee supplies. Plus, the sleek design adds a touch of style to your kitchen or office. If you love coffee and need a neat setup, this is the perfect choice to streamline your space. Available on Amazon, price $39. Magnetic Knife Block Holder. If you're looking to keep your kitchen organized while keeping your knives easily accessible, then Plus Magnetic Knife Block Holder is a game changer. This sleek, double-sided magnetic stand securely holds your knives in place, preventing any slipping and ensuring safety. What makes this one stand out is its protective front plates that shield your hands from sharp edges. Great for households with little ones. Plus, the smooth wooden design isn't just functional, but also adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. It's super easy to clean and fits perfectly on countertops, whether you're a home cook or a professional chef. Available on Amazon. Price $40. Utopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser. Looking for a way to keep your eggs organized and accessible in the fridge? The Utopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser is a game changer. This space-saving 2-tier organizer holds 12 to 14 eggs and uses a clever gravity-fed design to dispense one egg at a time with a gentle roll. It's the perfect solution for anyone tired of the old, bulky egg cartons taking up valuable fridge space. Plus, it's super easy to set up. Just load your eggs, and it's ready to roll. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, This egg dispenser is both sturdy and easy to clean. Available on Amazon. Price, $17. Night Tree Bamboo Drawer Organizer. If you're tired of the clutter in your kitchen drawers, the Night Tree Deep Bamboo Drawer Organizer is here to help you get organized. Made from 100% sustainable bamboo, this sturdy, eco-friendly organizer expands from 13.7-inch to 21.6-inch wide, giving you customizable compartments for all your kitchen cutlery, utensils, or even office supplies. What sets it apart is its 2.5-inch height, offering extra space for larger items, and it's anti-slip base to keep everything in place. Whether you're using it in the kitchen, craft room, or office, it's the perfect way to tidy up any drawer. Plus, it's easy to clean with just a quick wipe. Available on Amazon. Price, $37. Mudila Expandable Pot and Pan Organizer. If you're tired of digging through your cabinets to find the right pot or lid, this Mudila Pots and Pans Organizer is a game changer. It's a super flexible and expandable rack that fits everything from cast iron pans to cutting boards. The best part? It's tool-free to set up, so you can have it ready in just a minute. With 10 adjustable compartments, you can customize it for whatever you need, whether it's large pots or those tricky lids. Plus, the anti-slip rubber and protective strips keep everything in place and safe from scratches. It's a simple, space-saving solution for any kitchen. Available on Amazon. Price, $24. AccuZ Coffee Bar Organizer. Looking to elevate your coffee corner? The AccuZ Coffee Bar Organizer is perfect for creating a stylish and functional space for your coffee essentials. With a large two-tier design, it offers plenty of room for coffee canisters, grinders, and decorative items, while the 12 hooks keep your mugs neatly hung and easy to grab. It's super easy to assemble with all the tools included, so you'll have your new coffee station set up in under 10 minutes. Plus, with adjustable feet pads, it stays stable on any surface. No more wobbly coffee bars. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that adds a touch of charm to your kitchen or coffee nook, this is it. Available on Amazon. Price, $28. Lazy Susan Revolution. If you've ever had trouble reaching the mashed potatoes at the other end of the table during family dinner, the Lazy Susan Revolution is your new best friend. This patented Lazy Susan is perfect for both rectangular and oblong tables, making it a game changer for family gatherings or parties. It's expandable, so you can add extra trays to suit any table size. No one will ever be left out of the feast again. Plus, it's super easy to assemble in just 2 minutes and heat resistant, so it can go from the oven to the table without a hitch. The non-slip surface keeps everything in place, making cleanup a breeze too. A must-have for your next dinner party. Available on Amazon. Price, $109. Overdor Bontvi Organizer. Looking to maximize storage in your kitchen or pantry? The Mafaroko 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is a game changer. It's perfect for small kitchens, letting you store everything from spices to jars without taking up precious counter space. This organizer is super sturdy, made from durable metal, and holds heavy cans or jars without issue. No tools required for installation, and it fits most doors, making it an easy, hassle-free upgrade for any room. Plus, it's versatile enough to use in the bathroom, laundry room, or even closets for extra storage. Available on Amazon with the price, $60. Egg-shelter spiral holder. If you're tired of scrambled egg storage solutions, this fresh egg holder countertop is your new best friend. With its sleek spiral design, it holds up to 3 dozen eggs and keeps your eggs fresh by utilizing a first-in, first-out system, so you always know which eggs to use next. No more digging through cartons. Just refill from the top and watch the eggs roll into place. Plus, it's sturdy, rust-proof, and has a bonus storage basket for extra space. It's perfect for small kitchens, large families, or anyone who loves a neat, organized space. Available on Amazon. Price, $25. Chemist 8 Grid Seasoning Organizer. If you're looking for a sleek and functional way to organize your spices, the Chemist Box Seasoning Organizer is a game changer. With 8 spacious compartments, This sleek aluminum alloy box keeps your seasonings, snacks, and dry goods neatly arranged and easy to access. The built-in detachable grid makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. No more mess. Plus, each compartment has a handy lid and spoon, making it perfect for portioning out your ingredients. What sets this organizer apart is its versatility. Not only is it great for spices, but you can also use it for fruits, flour, and more, even in the fridge. Available on Amazon. Price, $56. New bamboo in-drawer knife organizer. Looking for a way to keep your kitchen knives organized and your drawers tidy? The NIUXX bamboo in-drawer knife block set is a game changer. With 16 slots, this block holds your knives and a sharpener, keeping everything in one place and easy to grab. Its removable, washable design makes it super easy to clean, plus the non-slip inclined slots prevent any jamming or damage to your blades. The bamboo construction is sturdy and eco-friendly, and it's perfect for anyone looking to save counter space while keeping their knives sharp and safe. Whether you're a home cook or just need more drawer space, this is the perfect solution. Available on Amazon. Price, $37. Hochtian wall-mounted wine rack. Looking for a stylish way to store and display your wine? Check out the Hochtian 3-tier wall mount wine rack. This rustic brown beauty holds up to 9 bottles of wine and is perfect for any living room, dining room, or wine cellar. What I love about this wine rack is its mix of wood and metal, offering both durability and a sleek, modern look that won't rust. It's super space-saving and mounts easily to the wall, so you can show off your wine collection while saving counter space. Plus, it's sturdy enough to last, and assembly is a breeze with all the tools and instructions included. Available on Amazon. Price, $42. Expandable pull-out cabinet organizer set. Looking to maximize your cabinet space? The 4-pack expandable pull-out cabinet organizer is your new best friend. With adjustable width from 12-inch to 20, these sliding drawers fit perfectly in frameless cabinets, helping you organize everything from spices to small kitchen appliances. It's super easy to install. Just use the nano adhesive or screws for extra support. Plus, its heavy-duty carbon steel design ensures it can handle the weight of all your items, and the upgraded 3-rail system makes for smooth sliding every time. Whether you're using it in the kitchen, pantry, or bathroom, this organizer keeps your space tidy and accessible. Available on Amazon. Price, $99. Buckfin 3-tier coffee pod and mug organizer. Looking for a way to keep your coffee station organized and stylish? Check out the Buckfin K-Cup coffee bar station organizer. This 3-tier design is perfect for saving space while storing your coffee pods, mugs, and even snacks. What I love most about it is the built-in hooks for hanging cups, plus the hollow-out design that keeps everything ventilated and dry. It's made from durable, rust-resistant carbon steel, so it's built to last. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or a coffee shop, this organizer will help you stay tidy and keep everything within reach. Available on Amazon with a price, $20. Domus Adjustable Pot Rack Organizer. Looking for a clever way to organize your kitchen pots and pans? Check out the Domus Pot Rack Organizer. This sleek black metal rack offers 3 DIY installation methods, making it super customizable to fit your space just right. Whether you need a way to hang up to 8+ pots or store lids, this rack has adjustable height and positioning to suit your needs. The best part? It's sturdy and designed to keep your kitchen neat and accessible. Perfect for anyone looking to save space and add some style to their kitchen. This organizer is a must-have for cooking enthusiasts. Available on Amazon. Price, $18. So, which of these kitchen organization caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.